Hi you guys, I think you all can tell already. I am in my hometown and currently it's freezing. I'm not even joking, it's been so cold lately. I only came yesterday and yesterday I was just in my bed with my heater on, but today we are going out. I need to get a few things. My sister is outside, we are going together outside just to have fun, maybe shop a little and just vibe a little. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this like really pretty striped sweater with like my denims. I've done like a really subtle pretty makeup. I think I really like it. I don't know if I should change my lipstick or not. Like I'm not really vibing with the pink. I feel like I should go with something darker, but okay, as of now I think we will step outside and yeah, take some sun in because I think it's sunny outside, which I'm so happy about. We have come to the mall and now we are going to West Side, and my sister just said that she doesn't want anything. We are gonna see. Let's see if we walk out of the store without buying anything for Miss Ma'am. We are also taking stairs, but that's okay. The lift was taking too long. Guys, West Side's so bad. At least the one we came to, it was so bad. Like we like selected all the things and then the lady was like, nahi, the card won't work, or this won't work, that won't work, and then we were just like, you know what, it's okay, we will not buy anything. We just walked out and now we are going somewhere else. Such cute plushies, like I want to buy them all. They are all so cute. Like back home, it was sort of a successful shopping trip. It was a quick one. I'm back. I'm going to meet a friend and we are going out to this really cute place. I'm also really hungry. It's gonna be like a late lunch kind of a thing, so yeah, I just want to dress a little more cute. This outfit, I don't know, for some reason is not giving lunch, so let me figure out an outfit. I don't want to be late, so let me just quickly get ready. And yeah, I am loving my outfit. It's so pink. I stole my mom's this scarf shawl thingy. Guys, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so aesthetic and I think I've dressed perfectly. No way, this is so cute. Say hi to the vlog. That's Anushka. She was the one who said the place is gonna be really pretty, and it is 100% pretty.
And you're matching with the flower.
Yeah, I'm matching with the whole place. Yeah, I've shown my outfit, but yeah, that's true. They have that baby pink. I'm wearing baby pink. Guys, we have come to Anushka's old office. And we have a pretty sunset. Guys, this is such a pretty sunset, and this is like their daily view from office. Oh my god, I want to work here now. Bro, this is insane, yeah. How did you all even find this place? It's so good. Oh, there's a record player. Damn. This area y'all are yet to fill or what?
And everyone comes and takes a fit pic here and posts every
Fit
single-
check. Two types of aesthetic. How do you feel?
I'm feeling amazing.
Guys, look at that. I want to live here and just watch this. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. So yesterday I just came back home, did some work and dozed off. Also, it's so cold. Like, it's really cold and I am not used to like such temperatures anymore, so this just feels a little too much. But anyways, right now I have to quickly get ready. We are going for our Pilates class. We are not missing that. We are not breaking our consistency. So I just got like this really basic and not that great workout set. I could barely find any, so whatever I got, I just picked it. It's like a basic black one. Quickly gonna wear that and gonna go. I'm going with my sister. She's gonna try Pilates for the first time and I hope it's fun for her. It is a little challenging, so I don't know, but yeah, I think I should just get going. This is not looking so bad. Like, just a basic black one is what I went for. I am gonna wear like a full sleeves top on this and maybe a jacket because like obviously I can't go like this. And yeah, let me just wash my face and do my hair and then get going. I'll see you guys when I'm in the car. First class, how do you feel? Will you join again? Done with my Pilates session, you guys. It was a really good one. I'm so glad I did not break my routine. That's the only thing that I'm happy about. I will come again maybe a day later, so maybe I'll do it like 3 times a week like I do it in Mumbai. But I love this place so much. That's the only reason why I keep coming back, because it's just so pretty, so aesthetic. Guess where I'm going? I'm going to a dentist which we casually found in the same building as the Pilates studio, and I need to get like something checked. So I'm just gonna hope that the person's here, the doctor, and I'm just always so scared of dentists, so fingers crossed. So it's later in the evening. I came back from the dentist appointment. I got my hair done. So I'll give you an update as to what my dentist said. Actually, I just went to that clinic for the first time, not gonna lie, and whatever. So basically there's this root canal that I got done. The cap that they put during root canal, it just came off. And now she's temporarily fixed that, but I have to go through like a proper procedure to get it done again. And when she was talking about that procedure, it felt so expensive, so I was like, you know what, I've come to you for the first time, let me go to like my usual dentist, which is also like a family friend, but like, yeah, whatever. In general also, dental procedures are so expensive. Like, my heart broke. Like, this girl quoted me 30,000 rupees for like a 45-minute procedure that she wanted to do for this root canal cap of mine. But anyways, so that happened. Then I came back home. It was paining a lot, so I took like rest. I could not speak properly, but then yeah, it got normal. And I also got my hair done. I got a blow dry done, because you all know that's my guilty pleasure. But anyways, right now I quickly wanna give you all a haul, because yesterday I went to Miniso and all these places. I barely showed you all what I got, so I am showing you all what I got right now. Miniso, by the way, has such cute things. Like, I went mad there. I also got like my workout set from Jockey that you all saw. But from Miniso, first things first, we have a new plushie for this room, for this house. Please name this cutie. I have a very similar one in brown in Mumbai, and now we have her. It's like this peach bunny. It was such a task for me to like figure out which one I wanted, but then this one, yeah, it looks so cute here, like, come on. And then I got this like organizer thing. It just like it turns, it rotates, which I absolutely like. That was the feature which sold me, and I'm gonna put it there near my vanity area, and I'm gonna put like my lip products and everything that I'm gonna leave behind here, because what happens is that I keep coming back to Jaipur and I have to bring everything. So now I just want to keep a few things here, so I don't have to keep bringing like my essentials also. And then we have a pink hairbrush, so pretty. We have a pink lint roller because it's pink. I got a pink lint roller back in Mumbai also, and then I got one here as well. But basically what happened is that all these winter wear that I keep wearing, the threads keep coming off, and I just want to remove them, especially like for black t-shirts and black pants and all of that. So I think this was essential. Got these two like glass containers for my chia pudding, because these are like so tiny and so cute. We have, of course, black hair ties, a lot of them, because like you keep needing these, right? These are again like a necessity. Also got like a few more hair ties. These are like those fancier ones. We have a cute claw clip. This one's like pretty one. It's like white in color, white silverish. This pink mug, I'm just gonna use this to maybe put my brushes inside of this. Like it's such a cute, you know, brush holder. It can act as one, I feel. Then we have these like room fresheners. You can also put them like in your hangers or maybe like in the bathroom or whatever. I just like them, and they're like super tiny and super cute. We have another claw clip. This one I think is for my mom. And then this is a room freshener. It's Champagne Kiss, and it's like a 50 ml one. I think I'm gonna put it like maybe on my side table or something like that. And lastly, I got this hanger set. It has 10 in total, and again this is for my wardrobe. It's like so unorganized, and basically I got all of this just so I can, you know, organize my room a little. But yeah, that was like a quick haul I wanted to do for you guys. I'm getting ready. Me, my mom and my sister, we are going for dinner, and I'm going for this all black kind of a look. So yeah, I'll also touch up like my makeup, put like a nice lipstick, and I'm really excited for dinner. We are going to this new place, so let me just start getting ready. I don't have much time. We have a 8:30 booking. Guys, we are here for dinner. We have come to this place called Trevi, and the vibe's nice. It's very chilly. Exactly like, you know, how I imagined it to be. There are like heaters and all. It's so pretty. I like it. Hello. Wow. What do you suggest? Outside, no? Yeah. This was such a lovely dinner. I mean, I was with my mom and my sister, and it just felt perfect. There was this music playing in the background, and I could hear, you know, the fountain, the water falling, and I could see the whole sky. Also, the food was so yummy. Like, we had this soup which was really good, and pesto gnocchi, and also the pizza was out of the world. It was so good. Like, my sister was saying she had a pizza similar to this in Italy. So y'all can see, like, y'all can understand, right, how good it was. And the whole night just felt so beautiful and so calming. I barely get to experience nights like these. Guys, this is so cute. The place is called Trevi, and I mean, I'm assuming everyone knows about the fountain. So they have given us this coin, and we're supposed to like put it, like throw it inside this fountain. It's so cute. done with the dinner, you guys, and this would be it for this video. I am so happy to be back in Jaipur, and I'm so glad that you know, I went to so many places. Right now also it was such a beautiful vibe, such a good place, and I had literally the best time with my mom and my sister. We talked about so many things, and I just love hanging out with them. But yeah, okay, that's it. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.